All right, boys. Let's check out the McQueen tribute.
See how bad it looks?
Hey.
Look at that.
Whoa, we found some mincemeat.
That's scary. I wasn't expecting this much damage under here.
Car was filled with an exceptional amount of bondo. It's like every dent that was in here, they just kept layering on top of it instead of pulling the dents out.
You never know what you're gonna find under the paint job until you get down to here, and this is evidence of that. You don't really know that you've got, I mean, we knew there was something going on the front end, but not to this extent. So some interesting finds underneath the paint and bondo that was on the car. Rear end's actually not as scary as you thought, but the front end does have quite a bit of damage here. You can see a lot of old accident damage. They've already begun to kind of build it back up, pull it back out, and kind of reshape the front of the car. But the goal here really is to just kind of get the car looking like it should without a ton of filler and a ton of bondo.